Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Gmail name. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now we're not talking about your Gmail address. We are talking about the name of your Gmail account, or what appears when you send emails. So if we click on an email, that's going to be this name right here. So how do you change this? There's two spots that you can change it, because you have your Google account and then you have your Gmail. So if you want your Google account to keep whatever name is on it, which is likely the one that you see right here, then you can change what shows up for Gmail only. Now to do that, we need to go to our settings. So we're going to go up here to this gear icon and then see all settings. Inside of here we have accounts and import, and there's a section down here that says send mail as. You can send emails from different addresses from the same email. Right here, we can change this first part of what shows up when we send emails by clicking Edit Info. Inside of Edit Info, you can see here that I have this one, which is the name in Google accounts. We can change that too, but for Gmail only, we could change it to any name we want. So I'm just going to write in here test name and then click Save Changes. Now, it should have probably changed this right here, which is perfect. We would also want to scroll down a little bit and make sure there's no Save button here at the bottom. If there's not, then you should be good to go. So now, when I click Compose and create a new message and send it to my own mail, you can actually see that the name has changed right here, and so it's now test name, for instance, for anyone that I send this message to. But the name on my Google account is still that original. So if you want them to match and you want to change both, what you need to do is go up to your profile icon, click on it, and then click Manage Your Google Account. Inside of here on the left-hand side, we're going to see Personal Info, and then if we scroll down a little, we have Name. So we can click on this, and we can adjust the name. So when we click on Name, we have first name and last name. For instance, I'm going to say Test2, and then Name2. So then once we change that, we can hit Save. And you can see here, this is the name now. So if I come back over to Gmail and I come in here, I'm going to refresh this page really quick just by clicking the little refresh arrow. That way, any change I made to that Google account maybe should show up here. And so we go back to Edit Info on that Send Mail As. If you don't know where I'm at, it's in Settings, and then Accounts, and Import. And we click Edit Info, and right now the name in my Google account would change that test to Name2. So when you make changes to your Google account, it can take 24 to 48 hours for that change to take effect. But the original way that we change that name still works if you want to change your Gmail name. And if you want to change the name on the entire account, that might just take a day or two for it to fully make those changes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change Gmail name. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.